Hey friends, if you wish to fix unknown USB device Descriptor Request Failed error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is simply to disconnect the USB from the USB port and reconnect again, or try the USB on a different computer or different port of the computers to check if the issue is with the USB device or your system. The next solution is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart. And obviously the last one is to update the USB drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for universal serial bus controllers. Right click on the USB root hub, update drivers, and search automatically for drivers. Do this with all the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.